I had some restoration work I had to have done, and it was quite involved, and I needed someone in the know that was going to do it and do it right. I was looking for a good dentist, and it was my husband who referred me to him. When I walked into Main Street Dental, it was a very comfortable home, welcoming, smiling receptionist, and I was very pleased with the building and the facilities. I was looking mostly for health when I came in. I just wanted to feel better, and I love to smile. And boy, I got a bonus because I got both the health and the smile. And I'm going to keep coming here because I love the people here. I love the service, and John really cares about his patients.